But now he's a cheerleader, and he has seen his team win the first 2 games, and Seth Stevenson opens up with a 1-hopper to Ryan Ritter, and we are underway at 3:05 here. And he wins that battle. Ortega 1 for 4. Cannon at second, Mayhew Edwards at third. And got Beck to chase. Oda into the alley. Thrasher on the run. Has to play it off the wall. That's going to chase home a run. Got him at third. So the Vols trade a run for an out. And they take a 1-0 lead here in the top of the first. At home, with a strike to third base, Chase Easton tags the elusive Drew Gilbert. A 2.14 ERA. Eastep gets under that. Easy play for Jordan Beck. 1 out. Game 1. Off the fists, Harris. Lawson with a quick pickup and cannot make the play.
Had trouble getting it out of his glove. That may go as a base hit.
He goes off speed, and Plastiak sends Stevenson back. Wind holds that one. And there are 2 outs. There goes Harris. Now, Russell got rid of it quickly, but to a Raj Anu, there goes Harris again. He'll take third base standings. It's a big bat for the Wildcats. Good pitch down and in. And Kentucky leaves 1.
I'll tell you, Rodney had some of the best hands I ever saw.
Speaking of hands, Chase Eastep with a pickup. 1 out.
Rodney,
He's with he and his wife Debbie, and so we always had a good time.
well, you
Tough
can
play
see that
for
all the
Jacob
way.
Plastiak. Yeah, that was trouble off the bat and an infield single for Seth Stevenson.
All in my life.
Yeah, it was a little different than this.
Yeah.
John Thrasher tracking. And there are 2 outs. You can't tell the rain, the mist has come back.
Having the orthopedic doctor, Dr. Bill Yeomans, throw passes to me. And,
all good. Before giving up football for baseball, as Alonzo Rubalcaba sends one to deep center field, and that's off the wall. Rubalcaba seeing the ball well this weekend. Drew Gilbert with a clean pickup, but hammered the other way. Stevenson couldn't get to it, and that's going to chase Rubalcaba home with the tying run. Back-to-back doubles for the Wildcats, and it's a new ball game. Big hop for Lipscomb. Runner stays put. Big strikeout. And Beam sprints off the field for the Volunteers, who today, which he did. Ryan Ritter, clean pickup. 1 out.
Nicely.
And Harney started here where he didn't give up, or at least wasn't charged with a run. That's drilled to right. Fogel back, and that's out. That's the first home run of the weekend for the Tennessee Volunteers. He gets it up in that jet stream with the wind blowing out to right. And a no-doubter for the number 9 hitter in the Tennessee order, Cortland Lawson, with his 10th home run of the year. It's a 2-1 Tennessee lead. Runner goes, hit and run.
Somebody get at first base. Oh.
Danny Harris gives way, or rather Plastiak gives way to Danny Harris. There are 2 out.
Good job by Lowe getting over to first to cover. They got him at second base. So I don't know, because he went by the bag, and
Sure
he
did.
must not have hit it on the way back.
He did not. They were playing hit and run. You got to touch the base on the way back to first. So that's another unusual double play.
Okay, he's going on the steal, which
Yep.
he's got a lot of speed. He doesn't follow the ball, so he slides. Now watch. He goes past the bag. Now he heads back. You got to hit that bag after you went by it. You got
defenders. And Estep leads off with a base hit. His second of the day. Had an RBI double, rather modest lead for Estep.
Oh, that'll help.
Now he'll get to second base, and they may still ask Harris to bunt. Well, forget about that bunt stuff. They're going to hold Estep, and wisely so, as Drew Gilbert made the quick pickup and a good throw with nobody out. That'll get a run home. Jacob Plastiak with an RBI ground ball. It is 2-2 here in the bottom of the fifth of a 7-inning game. Playable in the infield. Lipsius. That was more challenging than it looked. Yep, inside corner. Huge strikeout for Redmond Walsh, but 109 on the year for the team. Ritter can't make the play. Runner goes. That's ball 4. And you see Rubalcaba and Ryan Ritter, or rather Danny Harris today. That might get it done. It does indeed. It's going to act as a bunt. And there's one out, runners at second and third now. Over the head of Plastiak. That's going to chase home 2. Tennessee takes a 4-2 lead on the base knock by Luke Lipsius.
second base.
Grabbed by Ritter and the double play. So the defense rescues the Wildcats.
Is that all?
Should be an easy play for Ortega. And there's one out. Both to the left side. Ran that in on his fists. Drew Gilbert tracking. 2 out. Sometimes not till just before 7. So Thrasher works him for a walk. It's a runner goes. And you see Thrasher hook the bag with his left foot to stop himself from sliding into short left field. Runner goes again. So now Rubalcaba finds his way over. Smothered by Lipsius. Outstanding defense by the Volunteers, saves a run. JC step on the run. One out. Past JC step. And Lawson with his second base hit of the day.
Leadoff hitter up, full count.
There he goes. And ball 4. Deep to center. That's Thrasher on the run. Runner tags at second. He'll move up. And they're at the corners now with 2 out.
Uh-oh.
That's crushed. And the second home run of the day for the Tennessee Vols, and they've broken this open. 3-run shot for Jordan Beck, his 13th of the year. And the hill just got a lot steeper for the Wildcats. Walsh just masterful. Bullpen just in case. End of the bat, but a pickup by Lipsius. 2 out. This will be Kentucky's first series win over the Vols since 2016. Lawson can wrap it up. That'll do it. Tennessee, after dropping the first 2 to top-ranked Volunteers, come back to beat the Wildcats 7-2.